Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed, and suddenly, a video of someone effortlessly gliding through the air catches your eye. No wires, no props, just pure, unadulterated levitation. The caption reads, "Beam." Intrigued, you click to learn more. Who owns this magical device that seems to defy gravity? Before we dive into the mystery, let's take a moment to appreciate the innovation behind Beam. This hoverboard-like device has captured the imagination of people worldwide. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. But who exactly is behind this groundbreaking technology? Is it a multinational corporation, a secretive government agency, or perhaps even an individual inventor? Theories and speculations. Over the years, countless theories and speculations have surfaced about the ownership of Beam. Some believe it's the brainchild of a tech giant like Apple, Google, or Amazon. Others think it might be a joint venture between multiple companies. There are even those who claim it's a secret project funded by a mysterious organization. One popular theory suggests that Beam is the creation of a brilliant but reclusive inventor who has chosen to remain anonymous. This idea is fueled by the fact that there's been little to no public information about the device's origins or its developers. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, many people have dedicated themselves to uncovering the truth behind Beam's ownership. Online forums, social media groups, and even investigative journalists have tried to shed light on the mystery. Some have attempted to trace the device's supply chain, hoping to find clues about its manufacturers. Others have scrutinized patent applications and legal documents in search of hidden information. But so far, their efforts have yielded little success. The appeal of the unknown. Perhaps the allure of Beam lies in its enigmatic nature. The fact that we don't know who owns it or how it works adds to its mystique. It's like a blank canvas upon which we can project our own dreams and aspirations. So, who truly owns Beam? Is it a corporation, an individual, or a secret organization? The answer remains elusive. But one thing is certain, Beam has captured our imagination and sparked our curiosity. It's a reminder of the endless possibilities that technology holds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, let's continue to ponder the mysteries of Beam and the incredible world of innovation.